All right, so after you've hit done, we should see this. So we have our edited photograph. The nice thing about this is all non-destructive. So we see right up here, we see a little slider icon up in the right-hand corner of our image, and we do not see it in any of the other ones. So this means that is the one that has been edited. We can clear these if you right-click on that image. And you go to develop settings and you go clear settings. You can clear it and it would bring it right back to its original. So in order to copy them to the rest of them, what we're going to want to do is make sure that one's highlighted. We're going to right click on that and we're going to go to develop settings. We're going to go to copy settings. And then we're going to just click once, highlight the next one over, then hold shift and highlight the last one, and that should select everything in between. And then we're going to right click and we are going to go to develop settings and then paste settings. And then this should pop up. And so this is everything that we've changed plus extra, even stuff that we haven't changed, but that's okay. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And then you can see that it is now editing the rest of my photographs based off this first initial edit. Another thing that I can show you, if we open this back up in Camera Raw, up here you have a bunch of tools too. So you have a color sampler tool, you have a target adjustment tool, the crop tool, the straighten tool, which it can be pretty handy. What this will do is, let's say it was crooked and then this made it straight. So if I hit done, now it would crop it and then straighten that out. Yeah. Let's see. And let's say you wanted to undo it. If you went to that, you could click back on the straighten tool. We can see that we still have our original photograph. Let's see. And you could so yeah, we could rotate it back. I guess we could just do that. It's not the most efficient way, but anyway, so those are some other tools that you can use. Also, there are other tools right over here. You got tonal curve, stuff like that. So any of this stuff you could feel free to use when you're editing your photograph, and they should be copied. They should be able to be copied and pasted onto your other photographs. The one thing with cropping and straightening, you can paste those on. So if we see right here that it does have the crop, the spot removal, local adjustments on there, but keep that in mind that it may not be exactly the same for every single photograph that you take. If they all have the same exact crop, then yeah, you could check that and then you would paste that crop on the rest of them too. And so that's pretty much that. It's a much simpler program than the other stuff in the Adobe Suite, but it can be very handy. I will show you how to save in part 3.